In this second part, I'm going to showcase two new mechanics, foraging and trade lanes. While foraging itself is not new, it is linked to other systems in the Chillout Universe setup, which makes it a bit more practical. We are going to start on the alien planet in the Proxima system. This is a mining ship with a nanite control facility slapped on top. The facility is upgraded to allow for picking of multiple items at once. A recently made update to the nanite facility code, I have to glaze myself a bit, don't I, allows the cleanup task to also pick up temporary containers and forageable items. As a result, it allows players to forage at scale without the need to pick everything by hand. Let's find a grassy location and try it there. This right here looks like a good spot, so let's try it out. Chillout Universe promotes foraging through custom-made farm mechanics, which I might explain and showcase at a later date. This is the reason why you see different items than the ones you might expect from vanilla. Now I'm going to start it up. The nanite facility can scan a 1 kilometer radius and forage everything it can find. Look at them go. Most likely some mushrooms somewhere, as Alien Planet is mostly mushroom rich in the Chillout Universe setup. One expedition like this every once in a while and you can have a prospering farm at home. Move, harvest, and this can be done on any planet or even moon in the Chillout Universe setup, as all planets have at least something, from vanilla plants to bushes to collectible rocks, crystals and mushroom types. As stated earlier, Alien Planet mostly yields mushrooms. But what if I want to get some other stuff? I would have to go to other planets. But let's say I'm a starting player without any means to move myself over long distances. That is what the trade lanes are for. Chillout Universe Server uses a modified version of the mod, which is maybe not as pretty, since it is missing a bunch of particle effects, but it works in multiplayer environment. Trade lanes are usually located at the wormhole exits and at some trade stations in space. Chillout Universe has the trade lane network set up in a way that it can get you almost anywhere, even when traveling through several star systems from wormhole to wormhole. This was inspired by games such as Freelancer, which I might explore in a video at some point as well. I got a bit sidetracked by the damaged trade station, but that is normal, since this region of space is taken over by the Autoprotectorate faction and they do not trade. Now I have to find out which trade lane leads to Bertham. With my luck, it will be the other one. Of course it is the other one. The trade lanes are not a physical object, and therefore collision is impossible. The docking is done by reaching the lane and disabling the inertial dampeners. Flying through the lanes is quite performant, as the ship being moved through has disabled physics, and it can show nice flyby scenery of the star system. Again, damaged trade station, and I have to check it out. Now that we know how to move around from planet to planet, even in a basic ship, let's see what can be foraged elsewhere. Pertham, for example, provides more fruit, grain and vegetable seeds than the alien planet. And the differentiation goes like this for every planet. Foraging system has potential, and it is a pity that in the base game it is used only to obtain very early stuff. In the Chillout Universe setup, it is useful even at the later stage of the game, as the items are used in many more recipes. Advanced food, drugs, and even rare chemicals could be made out of the foraged items. For the Chillout Universe especially, the use of the foraged items will only expand. In the next part, I'm going to show you how the siege encounters look like. See you then.